Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Start by confirming your iPad supports multitasking and open the primary app you'll work in. You want to be in the app first so the system assigns focus correctly. Once the dock is visible, press and hold the secondary app icon, then drag it toward the screen edge. This action tells iPadOS you intend a split view. Make sure to position the app on the left or right edge depending on preference. Doing this prevents accidental app swaps and saves time when arranging windows. Now decide whether you need split view or slide over. Drag the app icon to the screen edge and hold. When it snaps into a narrow floating panel, you've created slide over, which is great for quick reference. Alternatively, drop the icon into the center edge to form split view for side-by-side work. You can drag the vertical divider to resize apps for layout and focus. Once done, use the small handle at the top to swap positions or return an app to full screen when you're finished. Finish by refining window behavior and saving your workflow. Tap the three-dot multitasking menu at the top to switch between split view, slide over, and full screen. This is faster than redragging. Make sure to drag the divider slowly when resizing so apps redraw correctly. If an app freezes or refuses to move, force quit it from the app switcher or restart the iPad to clear state. This often resolves layout bugs. If problems persist, check iPadOS updates to ensure compatibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.